Section 9. Case Study Workshop. Deconstructing a familiar AI tool learning objectives. By the end of this section, learners will be able to 1. Break down real-world AI tools into the problem, data, algorithm, output, feedback loop. 2. Recognize how everyday platforms like Netflix and Google Translate work at a conceptual level. 3. Practice analyzing any AI system step by step, a skill they can apply to future technologies. 4. Develop the habit of asking critical questions about how an algorithm functions. So far, we've explored AI fundamentals, types of algorithms, and ethics. Now let's put this knowledge into action. In this workshop, we'll take apart two common AI tools you probably use: Netflix's recommender system and Google Translate. By the end, you'll see that no matter how magical AI looks on the outside, it always connects back to the same foundations we've learned. Case Study 1. Netflix Recommender System. The problem? How can Netflix suggest movies you'll actually want to watch? The data, your viewing history, what you've watched, paused, skipped. Other viewers' histories who like similar content. Movie metadata. Genres, actors, runtimes, ratings. The algorithm. Collaborative filtering. People similar to you enjoyed this, you might too. Content-based filtering. You like action movies, recommend more action. The output. Your personalized home screen with top picks and suggestions. The feedback loop. If you start a movie, Netflix registers it as a positive signal. If you skip suggestions, that feedback adjusts the algorithm over time. Key insight. Netflix doesn't know you. It recognizes patterns in data and predicts what's likely to please you. Case Study 2. Google Translate the problem. How can a system instantly translate text from one language to another? The data. Millions of documents, books, websites containing multiple languages side by side. Human translated sentences, the gold standard for training. The algorithm. Older versions. Statistical patterns, matching word frequencies across languages. Modern versions. Neural machine translation, using neural networks to capture meaning across sentences, not just words. The output. A translated sentence you can read instantly. The feedback loop. Users flag incorrect translations or choose alternatives. Data goes back into model training for improvement. Key insight. Translate doesn't understand meaning like a human. It analyzes patterns across enormous multilingual datasets. The bigger lesson: every AI tool, no matter how sophisticated, can be broken down into 1. Problem to solve. 2. Data collected. 3. Algorithm type used. Rules, optimization, ML, neural nets. 4. Output produced. 5. Feedback loop for improvement. This is your mental X-ray vision for AI systems. Whenever you encounter a new AI product, you can ask, what problem is it solving? What data is driving it? Which type of algorithm is behind it? How does feedback shape its performance? Reflection: pick one AI tool you use daily. Maybe TikTok, Spotify, Grammarly, or a fitness tracker. How would you break it into the data, algorithm, output, feedback sequence? What assumptions do you think it makes? Who benefits if it works well, and who might be disadvantaged if it doesn't? Key takeaways are: 1. AI tools can be deconstructed step by step into their problem, data, algorithm, output, and feedback. 2. Netflix equal recommender system using collaborative plus content-based filtering. 3. Google Translate equals a neural machine translation using massive multilingual patterns. 4. Feedback loops help AI tools adapt and improve over time. 5. With this mindset, learners develop the AI literacy to critically analyze any tool they encounter.